In this video, I'll explain the project jail administration or prison administration. So why you need to do this project? So we all know you have to find a new way or new area to do the different type of projects. We can't do the regular projects everyday basis. So we need to figure out different area, different segment or different usage of the project. So in order to make a desktop application, so desktop application is a one actually which is run in a individual system or user system. The project will be there in the user system, so user can manage the whole project in that particular system. So here is a jail administration. Compared to our regular projects like salary management or student result management, so jail is a different area. Here we need to understand what are the day-to-day administration works actually. So here you'll have a cell, that is a jail cell. Then there are case actually. Based on the case, there is a prisoner. Prisoner has to allocate the jail cell. And you need to manage a lot of activities. These things we can do it in this particular project. I'll show it in VB.NET how it is done, how it is designed, how it works. So probably based on that you also can do this project and then you can work with that. Okay, so let's start Visual Studio. So here is a Visual Studio. I open the project, is a jail administration. Here is a welcome screen. You can see that all the forms we are named with a proper naming. So here is a first I'll show you the MDA form. So here is MDA form. Here you can able to see what are the options are provided over here. Here is a case types, stop detail, barrack details, criminal details, in register. In means the prisoners who comes into the jail. Then barrack allocation, we will allocate the barrack or the cell. Out register, when the prisoner goes out of the jail, that we can register here. Search form, so you want to find any of the prisoner, that you can use the search form and you can find out. Next is the reports. In a report we have a stop list, we have a in register, we have out register. In is overall comes in, out is overall goes out. So therefore any project will have a three basic criteria. One is the basic entry, case type, stop detail, barrack detail. So these are the basic entries. So these are one-time entries that is done. So that will be there always. The process is a criminal details, in register, barrack allocation, and out register. So these are the process, everyday process. Criminals, in the sense prisoners can come, they can come to the jail. Then we can allocate the barrack. Then they'll go out of the jail. This is the process actually. After that, there is a reports. Based on this, we will have a reports here. There are three reports in this particular project. And it will have a login form here. So you can see that user ID and password. When you click OK, here is the code we written to check the username and the password in the table, users table. If this is valid, we need to log in. Otherwise, you will give the message username or password not correct. Is a user table. So there is a module here. So here is a SQL connection string. So this is a jail data.mdf. This is the database. So generally you can able to see this database in this particular folder. I'll just show you the folder. So projects, and then here is jail administration, jail, and this is the bin folder, debug folder. Generally the this particular database is in the debug folder. This is the default path because your exe file is located in the this debug folder only. Therefore correspondingly you can easily reference to this database. Now how to connect to the database? So the design and database is ready because it's already created. In order to connect this, we can go to data connections, that is in the server explorer. You go to view menu and then choose server explorer if server explorer is not visible here. Data connections, on that you have to right click and then you have to go to add connection. And here the type is Microsoft SQL Server database file. So this is the type because it's easy to deploy, easy to copy from one place to other place. So therefore you will use the Microsoft SQL Server database file. Okay. Next is the file name. So you have to go to browse. So it'll take to your project folder. From that bin folder, debug folder. So here is the jail data. We can click OK. So then it's okay, it'll update. Okay. Do you want to update? Yes, we'll update this because now we are using 2019. So here is the database and here are the tables. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. So and also correspondingly we need to change this connection string. Now if I check the connection string, there is a change in the connection string. So this is a new connection string. Fine. So this is a jail data.mdf, and here is the double quotes. We don't require this. And this path we can take it out because we don't want to go with the hard coded path. So instead of that, we can use data directory. So there is a data directory is a global variable, will give the path automatically. So where is this project located? So it will give the path automatically. Therefore, you can use this particular thing. Now I copy this. So let me take this and then replace the old one. Okay, now it is replaced, and here there is a space actually. No, there is no need of space here. Done. Now we can able to run the project. Click start. So this is a welcome screen. So this picture you can always change easily. So here is a login page. You have to give admin, then admin. If you give the wrong password, so as I told already, you'll get the message. Okay, let's give the right password. Okay, so we'll come to the main page. We can change the background color here, so therefore make it little attractive. Then case types. So what are the types of case? This is theft. Then you can say murder, killing someone. Right. When you click new, it will be cleared. Then you can click the save button to save the record. Once you save, that will come in the grid. This is the data grid view that will come. When you click this, again the data will come back to the text boxes, and modify delete buttons are enabled. You can always change this color, background colors, and this button colors. So all possible. Then is a stop. Who are all the people working here that we can enter? Click new button, enter all the details, then close. Barrack details, the cell details. Okay, which are the cells are there? So here we are number 101. So you want to enter number 102. Then capacity, how many people? 2 people. What are the facilities? 2 bed, water. So in charge person. So therefore someone has to take care of this particular cell. That is already entered in the sub details. So that you need to link it here. Next is the barrack details. So in case of barrack, okay, you can enter all the details here. Next is the criminal, individual criminal details. So here is a criminal code and their name, address, everything is there here. Likewise, you can enter the click new button and enter all the details. So in register, when the person comes in, so this is where you can enter the details. So is the criminal code and what are the details, what is the remark that you have to enter and you have to take in. Then allocation. So number 102 criminal number, you can add this. So the name will come, you can add the criminal over here. The next is the out register. So who are all in, that is there. You will click here. So it's okay. Once the out, we can enter the new, and then you can enter the criminal code, what time you are sending out that code, what is the reason. So this is on bail. Then you can save the information. Okay, so I'll close this. Then search form. So you want to search any of this person. What is his name? Sandesh. Okay. SA. We can able to search it here like. So here are the report staff list. All the list will come. Then in register, you can able to see the in register. Out register. Here you can see the out register. Fine. So these are the things which are provided in this particular project. And so when you want to do it, so probably you can pause the video, write down the details, and then redesign the whole project. You can modify or you can improve this project. Whatever way, you can always do so. In case you wish to buy any of our projects, please contact us so we can get to these projects. And if you what you feel about this, and if you're looking something else, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.